Now, we have established this remote operations center with the support from the Mining and Petroleum Services Center of Excellence to help high-cost resource companies and their contractors lower cost and achieve productivity gain across their operations. From this center, our engineers will help mining companies optimize their assets so that they work without expensive and unnecessary machine breakdowns. We start off by retrofitting an existing machine at a mine site with a variety of different types of sensors. Now, these sensors generate information such as temperature, pressure, vibration speed. We then use that information to determine the mechanical health of the asset in real time.
Rather than just getting larger and larger mining equipment, this is actually trying to use the capital you've got installed already, but much more efficiently. What it effectively does is allows you to do with more with less. It allows you to be much more capital efficient. Mining is invariably a capital intensive industry. The biggest bang for your buck is using your capital wisely.
This technology is prohibitively expensive. It's specialist. For a company like ours, it's just not something that we can invest in on our own. It just wouldn't occur if it was left to each individual business to try and develop themselves. As it becomes more available and cheaper for industry, it'll get adapted to more and more applications, more and more equipment. If it can be brought back to a centralised location, it'll help us in reducing those costs through those activities.
We have an agenda, research agenda, which is very strongly focused on analysing data. We saw that IPACS was a potential company which would be, over the next few years, involved in collecting a lot of data from industry and therefore would provide a data source which would be the basis for future analytic efforts. We're very interested in employment outcomes for our students, so we're primarily motivated particularly by the idea that employment comes through our alumni being successful. Now, it might seem like a dream, but it actually does happen. Two of our graduates are now employed in this company, and we believe that that's one way in which we can improve the employment prospects of everyone in South Australia.
Remote Operations Center technology has really been a technology that the bigger miners have used to reduce their cost. Through this center, we have made sure that the mid-tier miners are able to access this technology to reduce their costs and remain profitable in the current climate. State government support is vital to an innovation like this, not just in terms of funding, but also the support and the guidance that they provide.